Lieutenant Governor of Delhi, Anil Baijal, has invoked the National Security Act in the capital city state for 3 months, starting from January 19th till April 18th. This law allows the Delhi police to arrest anybody without reason for 10 days and detain anybody without charge for 1 year. He or she cannot get a lawyer too. Usually, if a person is arrested, he or she has the right to be informed of the reason for the arrest and has the right to bail, besides having the provision of getting a lawyer. Article 22(1) of the Constitution says an arrested person cannot be denied the right to consult. But it's a different case if a person is arrested under NSA. He or she will not know why he is arrested up to 5 days and sometimes not later than 10 days. The government can hold back information if it thinks the information is against public interest to disclose. Called as draconian, this act is widely condemned by the opposition and liberal activists because of the powers of preventive detention that it gives to the government. It is feared that the law would be used to suppress voices of dissent and inflict more state brutalities. Since the passage of the controversial Citizenship Amendment Act, several parts of India have witnessed massive protests. People defied Section 144 in many parts of the country. Protesters stood strong despite several attempts to quell democratic dissent. A key part of the protests have been held in Delhi's Shaheen Bagh, a Muslim-dominated area where sit-in protests by women has entered the second month. Despite several attempts by the government and the police, they have not been able to end the protests. The imposition of the NSA also comes against the backdrop of the assembly elections in Delhi, scheduled for February 8th, with counting on February 11th. Not just in Delhi, the NSA has been invoked in Andhra Pradesh too, where a decision on the new state capital is expected soon.